Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming tools, a pressure-capable stylus or your finger, and a touch-enabled app that supports layers. First, make a new layer named Lips Base and block the basic silhouette with a midtone. This saves edges for later. Once done, select a small soft brush at 60–80% opacity to lay down the core shape. Think of the lip as two planes. Make sure to follow the mouth's angle so your first strokes establish volume and direction. Now you develop form. Create separate layers for shadows and highlights, and set blending modes to multiply and screen respectively so colors react naturally. Use shorter, curved strokes about 1/2 to 1/3 the lip width. Vary pressure to simulate creases and soft transitions. Once done, add micro texture with a low-opacity textured brush and lightly smudge along the vermilion border. This keeps the lip edge believable. Make sure to check values against the face to maintain consistent depth and temperature. Finish by placing a small specular highlight where light naturally hits, usually the lower lip center, using a hard small brush at low opacity. That single dot sells moisture. Once done, group layers and nudge overall opacity 5–15% to blend lips with surrounding skin tones. If the result reads flat, use a fine textured brush or add subtle noise to reintroduce microtexture. If edges look harsh, slightly blur the seam and reapply microstrokes. This quick fix restores realism without repainting the entire area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.